Hi, my name is Jerry, and what I'd like to show you in a short video is how to set up your Chromebooks so you can have a split screen so that you can work with the text layer on one side of the screen and the taxpayers' forms on the other. Now, the first thing you need to do is bring up Chrome. Down here, there's your Chrome icon, and I already brought it up because I have it here. So what I have is essentially a text layer ready to go, and based on the process, how we're going to get the taxpayers' forms, I'm not sure at this point. It could be an email, and if it is, we'll take that email, get the taxpayers' PDF, drag it in here, and we'll actually create a tab. Now, your options here are you can work between text layer and select the tab and work with the taxpayers' forms and scroll down through the taxpayers' forms. But another option is to use the split screen. Over here, you'll see the split screen icon. To get that, if you don't have it in your Chrome browser right now, there's a way to get it. You'll go over here to where you see three dots, select it, scroll down to More Tools and Extensions. When you select Extensions, it opens up all of these extensions that you can add. Basically, you select or not by sliding. Now, as you can see, I've also selected several things, Google Meet, several Google Meet options, but as you scroll down, you'll see that tab option. So you want to make sure that you slide it over to the right so it's selected. Once it's selected, it's going to show up here as a toolbar. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is select that, and it's going to give me some options. I'm going to go with the 1 times 2, basically 2 panels or 2 windows or split screen. And then all I have to do is select anywhere on there to make that go away, because we don't need that anymore. Or, select away from it. So now you can see I've got a split screen. All right, but the way I like to work with it, I want this on the left, and I want this on the right. And I'll have to play with it, size it, resize it. You can do that just to line them up the way you'd like them, and you're ready to work. All right, so that's how you do that.